In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove staff accounts, as well as manage permissions in Shopify. Whether you're expanding your team or refining access to sensitive areas, understanding how to effectively manage staff accounts in your Shopify store is crucial for streamlined operations and enhanced security. Let's get started by diving right into the Shopify admin dashboard. Begin by navigating to the bottom left of your Shopify admin panel where you'll see the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu with various options that offer control over different aspects of your store. Among these options, you'll find the choice labeled Users. By selecting this, you open up a world of user management possibilities within your Shopify store. In this Users section, you'll be able to see a comprehensive list of all the current users who have access to your Shopify store. From this list, you can easily manage who has access to your store by removing users if necessary. Removing a user is a straightforward process that ensures that former employees or any other unwanted users no longer have access to your store's operations. If you're not looking to remove a user entirely, but rather adjust the level of access they have, Shopify makes this very manageable. Instead of deleting a user, you might just want to change their permissions to better fit their role in your business. On the left tab, you'll notice a section labeled Roles. This is where you can adjust and customize the permissions associated with different roles. In the Roles section, you can edit the permissions assigned to each role. By being clear on what each staff member needs to access, you can provide them with suitable permissions that allow them to effectively do their job without compromising your store's security. Simply click on the role you want to adjust, and you'll be able to modify the permissions specific to that role. This could be anything from managing orders to accessing product details, so make sure the permissions reflect the responsibilities that go along with each person's position. And just like that, you've efficiently managed the staff accounts and their permissions in your Shopify store. This flexibility not only helps in maintaining the security of your store, but also ensures that the right people have access to the right resources to help your business grow. Implementing these practices can significantly improve the way your store functions and lay a foundation for smooth future operations. That's all there is to it. Managing staff and their permissions on Shopify is not only easy, but crucial for your business's efficiency and safety. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your Shopify administration tasks a lot smoother. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your online business operations.